Lovely stuff. Early morning session, boxed off again. It was a bit of a mix, a sort of full body, light intensity legs with some more functional work. Like I say, couldn't do legs yesterday because of my plantar. Got the golf ball ready to roll while I'm working because they are still killing me, my heels. But yeah, we did a little full body sort of functional, like I say. Did 3 leg exercises, more actually, 5 leg exercises. And then some sort of kettlebell swings, push press type of vibe. But yeah, session boxed off, early doors. Going to do a run or cycle later, depending on how the feet feel and how work goes. If I've got the time, I'll get a long run in. If not, we'll do a cycle or a little recovery run. But that is the day off to a good start. So we'll keep cracking on with day 11 of 75 hard. Also, have a butcher's at this shirt. Fresh from Bolivia, from my brother went a few years ago. But yeah, proper. And you know what it's called? The strongest. And that is what we are trying to be on this 75 hard journey. Yes, guys, it has been a hectic day, but I haven't seen many of us in here with our 55 today, so let's get it. There's still time to get going. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 25 more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was the toughest one yet, as you'd expect. Second workout of the day already, and it's only 8:30 in the morning. Cycle getting done now. Pairing it with some work that I've got to do. Make sure you habit stack, and you can kill 2 birds with 1 stone.